How to plan your first international trip. Planning your first international trip can feel exciting, but also confusing. One small mistake could cost you money, delay your trip, or even stop you from boarding your flight. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan your first international trip step by step, without stress. Step 1. Choose your destination. Smartly. Your destination determines everything. Your budget, visa requirements, weather, and even your travel experience. Start with a country that is budget-friendly. Easy visa process or visa-free if possible. Safe for first-time travelers. Planning becomes much easier when your destination works in your favor. Step 2. Sort your passport and visa early. Before anything else, make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. Then check. Do you need a visa? How long does it take to process? Delaying this step is one of the biggest mistakes first-time travelers make, and it can ruin your entire plan. Step 3. Set a realistic travel budget. Don't just think about flight tickets. Include accommodation, feeding, transportation, activities, emergency money. Having a clear budget helps you avoid overspending and travel with peace of mind. Step 4. Book flights the smart way. Flight prices change constantly. Try to book early. Compare prices. Be flexible with dates. Even a small change in your travel date can save you a significant amount of money. Step 5. Secure your accommodation. Once your flight is set, book where you'll stay. Look for safe location, good reviews, easy access to transport. Your accommodation can make or break your entire trip experience. Step 6. Pack based on your destination. Don't pack randomly. Pack with intention. Check weather conditions, airline baggage rules, duration of your stay. This helps you avoid overpacking or forgetting important items. Step 7. Prepare your travel essentials. Before leaving, make sure you have copies of important documents. Your phone is fully charged. Travel apps installed. Some local currency or a working card. These small details can save you from big problems during your trip. Your first international trip doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be prepared. Once you take that first step, traveling becomes less scary and a lot more exciting. Plan smart, stay ready, and enjoy every moment of your journey because this is just the beginning.